So children, did you enjoy this song? You must have understood from this song that what we are going to learn today. Yes, today we are going to learn about rainy season, and it is also called monsoon season. In rainy season, when the clouds become dark and grey, children, you know what does it mean? It is going to rain. We can also hear the loud thunderstorm. Children, do you want to know how does the rainbow appears in the sky in rainy season? I'll tell you. When it is raining and suddenly the sun also appears from behind the clouds and both rain and sun are there in the sky, then you can see a beautiful rainbow. Children, you can also see beautiful greenery around us in rainy season. Children, now let us see some creatures that we can easily see in monsoon season. You know which is our national bird? Yes, peacock is our national bird. And peacock is also a beautiful bird with its beautiful feathers. And peacock loves to dance in rain. Can also see snails, earthworms, and snakes. Children, now listen carefully. Which animal is making noise? Yes, it's a frog. We can see frogs also easily in monsoon season. So children, now let us see what we can use in rainy season. We can use umbrella, raincoat, gumboot, and rainy sandals. Children, I know you love to enjoy in rain. Children, you can enjoy in rain, but you have to use your umbrella, wear raincoat, rainy sandals, and then you can enjoy in rain. Children, now some of your friends will show you how they are enjoying in rain. Even they are jumping in puddles and they have made paper boat. પેપરની બોટ બનાવીને એ લોકો વરસાદના પાણીમાં ચલાવે છે. Do you want to see them? Let's see. So children, now let us see some food items that we like to have in monsoon season. We should eat hot foods like hot milk, hot bhajiyas and corns. These are some food items that we should have in monsoon season. So children, now let's do one exercise. First we'll read the question. Draw any one thing that we use and one thing that we eat in rainy season. Now there are so many things in rainy season that we can draw. But here today we will draw one raincoat. Okay, let's start. Make one oval shape. Draw slanting line from top. Then one standing line. A small standing line below the oval shape. Then sleeping line. a small slipping line from here. Then we'll draw slanting line, sleeping line, again one more slanting line. From here also we'll draw slanting line, small slipping line, and go down again with slanting line. Now from here we will draw standing line. From here also standing line. Join with sleeping line. Now from middle we will draw one standing line and some buttons like this. Make small circle. Now here we'll make one small pocket. Okay. Now here thread. So our raincoat is ready. Now we will draw one food item, and that is corn. We will draw corn over here. Now let's start. First we will make standing line. Leave some space, another standing line. Join with curve and curve from top. Now we will draw two small standing line and join with sleeping line. Now slanting line from here and join with small curve. Slanting line from here, join with small curve. Now inside we will draw small circles like this. You have to fill up the middle portion with the circle like this. Okay, children? So, our corn is ready. Bye bye, children. Take care.